Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening PNB One. This is where the actual entry happens, so don't linger on settings. Once the app loads, tap Login, then choose the User ID option. This is faster than autofill. Enter your registered mobile if prompted because the app ties ID to your number. Make sure app notifications and SMS permission are allowed, otherwise OTP will not arrive. If you see a welcome screen, select Continue to reach the User ID input field and proceed. Now type your user ID into the field, paying attention to case sensitivity and any special characters. This matters because the server matches exact text. If you paste, trim leading or trailing spaces, a single space will cause rejection. After entering, press Continue or Next. The app will typically send an OTP to your registered mobile. Wait for the OTP, then enter it. This step confirms ownership. If verification fails, the app will show specific errors. Follow them. Finish by completing the OTP entry and creating or confirming your login PIN when asked. That secures future access. Once logged in, you can optionally save the user ID for convenience, but only on your personal device. If the process stalls, first verify your network and SMS settings. Make sure DND or SMS blocking apps are off. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear app cache, restart the app, then request a fresh OTP. This resolves most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.